So let's start. So for this, firstly we have to go to slideshow, then set up slideshow, and then browse the 𝗖𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝘀 full screen. Then we have to generate a developer tab, and for developing the developer tab we have to click to PowerPoint options and then show developer tab in the ribbon. You see it is Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, and if you are using another version then you have to find it. But if you are using 2007 then just do whatever I am doing. So then okay, then now see here developer tab is generated. Then we have to go to view and slide master, and whenever the slide master is open then we have to duplicate the slide master. As the slide master is duplicated, and we have to select the next slide of the duplicated slide master and remove all the boxes using the delete button. So I am removing it. Okay, for now what we have to do is we can change its background style like this, or whatever you want. It just depends on you. So I am giving this. So what we have to do, just take a text box or a rectangular shape. So we are taking a rectangular shape. Here we have to write congratulations. So we have written this, then select this and change according to your wish. We are changing the font, changing the font number so that it looks bigger. Yes. Then we have to go to developer tab again and click on this A, and for generating a label box, and whenever the label box is generated just click on the properties, and the properties is selected, then change the name of the properties to label 1 to points. Then go to caption and change the caption label on to 0, and if you want just change the font. So now we are changing the font. So now we are changing the font. You can change according to your wish. I have bold, given bold, and then they given the font number to 72. Okay, then click OK. Then you see this is bigger in size, and now just close it and then generate another rectangular shape. Take another rectangular shape, and where we'll write just your points. So for this, take a shape which is equal to the label point here. So now edit text. Here we'll write your points. So now customize it according to your wish, and for this you have to go to font, give the font according to your wish, whatever you like. I am giving this. Then change the font number so that it looks nice. Then it is. So now what you have to do is just click the label box and go to the developer tab and click view code. Whenever the Visual Basic tab is opened, then you have to write here code. So I am just pasting the code, so you can get this code in my website, and the link of the website is given below. The reason why I am not giving this code in the description box is there may be some misconception with YouTube for this, and I am so sorry for that. And you can get this code in the website in the given link below. So just after we have put it all this code, then we have to close this Visual Basic box, and then we have to go to view again, slide master, and then close slide master view, and then now let's start your quiz. So we are giving the title the quiz game. So here we are writing that click here to start. Now just new slide, right here the type here the question, what is the currency of Bangladesh? The question is generated. Now give 4 options, and for 4 options we can take any shape. Okay, we are taking 4 rectangular shapes, and this box should be removed. Then just copy it, again copy it, and copy it. Now just give the options. Here we are giving taka, here we are giving rupee, here we are giving dollar, now just we are decorating it so that it looks good. Then just select on the correct answer, and then go to insert tab, action, and here you have to click on run macro. Here you can see correct, incorrect, reset and retry. So as it is correct answer, so we have to select on correct, just select on correct, and then okay, then same, just select on the run macro. It is wrong answer, so incorrect, same, action, run macro, incorrect, okay, same, action, run macro, incorrect. So it's finished. Now what we have to do is just duplicate slide, again duplicate slide, just do it the number of as much as the number of questions you want to set. So we are just doing 4 questions so that we can finish the video fast. So now here just instead of Bangladesh we are giving it India. So you know the currency of India is rupee, so we have to correct it, and for action we have to go this action and select incorrect to correct. And as we have given before is taka, so we have to change this also, and for this we have to just give it incorrect. Then this slide is ready, and then the next slide, and in this slide we just giving instead of balance to USA. So here USA, you know that the dollar is the currency of USA. So for this action, go to action, run macro to correct, and taka, this should be changed also, run macro, incorrect, okay. Then this slide is also ready, and then at last you take this slide, and what is the currency? Here you can see here we are typing Abu Dhabi instead of Bangladesh, and you know that the currency of Abu Dhabi is dirham. So go to action tab, run macro, correct, and then it's then taka, action, and it's incorrect. Okay, now whenever all the questions are completed or set it completely, then we have to take a new slide. For this, go to home and new slide, go to new slide option, and you can see the we have to take the layout where we have used in it the slide master show. Then take the slide and it is, and then take two rectangular shapes right here, retry. Just copy it and just change it into exit. Now what you have to do is just select the box and go to insert tab, then action, run macro to as it retry, so then retry, okay, and then I'm going to exit, go to action, run macro to reset, okay, then it have finished. And now we have to go to the first slide and you have to give this hyperlink to the next slide. So for this, go to hyperlink and click on the next slide, then click OK, then it's okay over. So now for saving this, we have to go to save as, now save it in any location, whether wherever you want to set it on. The title name is the quiz game. The save as type, you have, if you give this the microphone macro enabled presentation, then you can change this slide. But whenever the slide, whenever the PowerPoint presentation is completely completed, then you have to go the macro enable show. Here you cannot change it, or you cannot change it. Okay, so then give it, saved it. Let's start the game. Just open it. This type of notification can be shown. Just enable this content. Okay, now start this quiz. So click here to start. So you can see what is the currency of Bangladesh. We have Taka. Answer is correct. Then we have to type the currency of India, this rupee. This is correct. So now we are giving the wrong answer. This wrong. This we are again giving the wrong answer. This also wrong. So you see we have added two answers. That is, our points is 20. Okay, then that's all. Then if we are giving retry, then it is starting again, and if you are giving exit, then it is exit.